Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Distil Bay. We're going to have a look at NAT, Network Address Translation. So what is NAT and the problem NAT has come to fix and the solution and the different type of NAT do we have. So let us go. So NAT converts the private address to the public network or to the public address. You know, we have three types of private address. We have the class A, the class B, and the class C. So these addresses are only designed to be used in a private environment, in a local area network. These addresses cannot be used in the public one. It's not routable on the internet. So NAT helps us to convert it to the public network. And it does that by using a NAT table to keep the record of its translation. So when your device, when your computer sends it or the data packet to the router will just look at the source address and the destination address or the port number before performing the translation. The different type of NAT, we have the dynamic NAT or PAD, and we have the static NAT. So the first one is the most popular type of NAT, dynamic NAT or private address translation. It does not save address, it's a map-to-map address. We need to manually create a pool of address. Whereas static one allows you to manually tap the entries to the NAT table. The solution which NAT gives us, so let's look at the problem first. You know, way back then, a group of people sat back in the chair and said, we have created all the address that we ever need. They call them IP version 4. In fact, IP version 4 creates up to 4 billion addresses. And as the internet grew, more and more devices require an address, and they began to run out of address till they came up with IP version 6. So the solution they came up with was a private address. Private address was developed to help prolong the life of IP version 4. We have class A, class B, and class C. So what those people did was to come up with three classes of address that can be used over a time again. So what will be left is just a small group of addresses that can be used billions of times. So if you sign in with an ISP, the internet service provider, they will give you a public address. So this is where NAT, network address translation, comes in. So if you find this video interesting, welcome to the channel, subscribe, share it, and see you to the next video.